Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to create a set of flashcards using this application called Cram. Once you launch your browser, you want to go on the address bar and you're going to type www.cram.com. Once the page has loaded, you're going to be on the main page for the application and you want to sign in. If you don't have an account already, you can connect to the application using any of these two social media platforms, or you can even use your Google account. So in this case, I'm going to use my Google account. Once I log in, you're going to find the main menu of the application. To start creating a set of flashcards, you're going to click on this green icon, Create New Set. Once it opens, you're going to have the opportunity to put a title to your set of flashcards, and let's name this one Entrepreneurial Idea Flashcard Set. Then you're going to want to scroll down and you're going to find the format for your flashcards. You're going to have the front of your flashcard and you're going to have the back of your flashcard. As indicated on the instructions, you have to create 3 sets, each set containing 3 flashcards. So in the first set, you're gonna label it or name it Entrepreneurial Idea on the front of the card. And if you notice here, you have a menu that allows you to control the font size. So you can make it bigger or you can make it smaller. Then on the back of the first set of cards, or the first card, you're gonna type in what is your entrepreneurial idea, and it could be something very general for the purpose of this activity. So just type in what is that entrepreneurial idea that you're thinking about. For example, I'm just gonna say my entrepreneurial idea is about a ice cream delivery service. So you're going to follow the instructions for this activity and complete the 3 cards in your first set. Once you have typed in all the front labels and the answers on the back of your card. For example, the first card has to do with the entrepreneurial idea. The second card is about the location. If you're going to have a location for your business or entrepreneurial business idea, you're going to label the front of the card location, and on the back you're going to just describe what that location is. It could be a traditional brick and mortar, or maybe you're thinking about an online store. Whatever it is, you need to type in the answer. And finally, the third card on this set is talking about the customers. So you're going to type the label for it, customers, and on the back of the card, you're going to type the main customers that you're trying to target with your idea. For example, college students are going to be your main customer target. Once you have completed the fronts and the backs of your first flashcard set, you're going to scroll down and you're going to say create. You're going to click on this green icon to create the set. And then you have it. You have the entrepreneurial idea flashcard set. that you just created, and if you scroll down, you can see the front and you can see the back of the 3 cards in that set. Also, you will need to know how to share your flashcards in case you need to submit it via email or share it with someone else. So if you notice on the left, you have this icon that says share. Once you click on that, you can enter the emails of the people you want to share it with. So you just need to type in the emails. And if you want to share it with more than one person, you're just going to put a comma and then type the next email and then click send. So there you have it. This small tutorial was about using Cram to create your flashcard set. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.